In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now pick one of those themes. Click on a perfect one for you and manage keyboards thanks to this switcher. Then hit apply and wait. If you wish to customize it though, click on the same icon and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage keyboards and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!